Air-Sea Containers has a range of thermal control units suitable for shipping substances at a wide range of temperatures. Available in 10 sizes, our TC range, suitable for use with cool packs or dry ice, is immediately available from stock with no minimum order quantity. Place the inner packaging inside the box. Our thermal control units are also suitable for use as overpacks for dangerous goods packaging, such as our code 332 category A package. Now add the cool packs or dry ice into the box as required. Once the inner packaging and cool packs are added, fit the lid on top and close the outer carton by folding the inner flaps in first, then the outer flaps. Finally, seal with 75mm adhesive tape in a U-shape. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for the appropriate shipping labels to be affixed and all of the necessary consignment information ready for transport.